3.95.
3.9 with one blank check.
तो कितना देती है टुअर्नो 457? यहाँ पे क्विक शिफ्टर के लिए भी आपको ऊपर से पैसे देने पड़ रहे हैं। See that? Feedback on the brakes?
This looks pretty good.
Shiraz bhai, yes. Plastic. Seriously yaar, the only 400cc motorcycle out there right now that feels like a big bike. Ye dekho! Hi guys and welcome back to Bike with Girl. I am in Bangalore today for the first ride of this brand new Tuono 457. In fact, if you remember last year around January, मैंने RS 457 चलाई थी and I was blown. Loved that motorcycle. But then I was also like, bhai, can I own this? Kyunki it's a very committed riding stance and I have a legit back issue. So I don't know if I can own something like this. But then I was in love with that engine and I was like, I hope they make a street naked version of this bike. And here we are, one whole year later. This is the Tuono 457 guys. And मैं आपको दो तीन चीज़ें इसके बारे में बताना चाहती हूँ which make it very very special to our country as a whole. पहले तो ये बाइक इंडिया में बनी है. We are the first people in the world to be riding this motorcycle. And it is a very very special feeling क्योंकि इसके बाद मैं अभी अप्रिलिया के हेड से बात कर रही थी. इंडिया के बाद ये जाएगी यूरोप. They will have test rides there. And उसके बाद जाएगी ये to America. Like it's amazing, right? Like India is where it's at right now, where all these motorcycles and cars are being manufactured, and we are the first people to be riding these bikes and driving these cars. So it's very very cool. That's the first thing I want to say. And what is this bike about? How is it different? Is it better than all of the competition that is there in the market, which is lesser in price? All of that I'm going to talk about क्योंकि आप लोगों ने मेरे को ये सवाल किए थे on my Instagram yesterday and I'm going to address these questions right here, right now. 400cc, not a Ducati V-twin. That is actually the Tuono 457 and that is what sets it apart really. The sound of that engine is everything. Why have I shot this like this? क्योंकि कल मैं ऐसे ही ये बाइक को सुन रही थी बहुत दूर से और मेरे को ये आवाज़ आ रही थी and I was just like, oh my god, this doesn't sound like a 400cc engine, man. And that is what really sets it apart. That engine. The sound of that bike. आपने बहुत सारे सवाल किए थे about the ride experience on the new Tuono 457. I've been riding the bike around Nandi Hills. बहुत अच्छा experience रहा है मेरा आज. तो जल्दी से फटाक से while riding, I'm going to tell you all about it. और आपने जो सवाल मेरे को Instagram पे पूछे थे about the bike, I'm going to address those about the riding experience. Okay. ओए, वो स्पीड ब्रेकर दिखाई नहीं. So let's start with top speed. Downshifting to second gear, trying to come down as much as possible. Actually, I will just come down to the bare minimum. चले? Let's go. बहुत लगा क्योंकि पब्लिक रोड पे आई यूजुअली डोंट फुल्ली ओपन एंड आई डिडंट फुल्ली ओपन ऑन दिस, ठीक है. देयर वाज स्टिल अ लॉट मोर फॉर मी टू बी एबल टू एक्सपीरियंस. Fast bike, it's a fast bike just like the RS 457. It is lovely, the torque comes through really well, very peppy, very energetic. Now आप लोगों ने मेरे को लो एंड ग्रंट के बारे में पूछा था, तो ये अभी मैं 28 km/h थोड़ा अपहिल जा रही हूँ, थर्ड गियर. Not bad at all. Now I'm trying opening it up from here and very nice. It powers through really well. Like that's what I love about this engine. What's up, Monkey? Monkey, hi. कैसे हो? कैसे हो? कैसे हो Monkey? क्या आप मेरे दोस्त बनोगे? Hello, hi. No getting angry, बेटा. Monkey, hi. Monkey, चल बाय. बाय मंकी. तो कितना देती है टुअर्नो 457? एज पर टेस्ट्स उसका भाई RS 457 आपको 32 kmpl देगा हाईवे पर और 18 देगा इन द सिटी. टुअर्नो में वही इंजन है, सो फिगर्स भी वही होंगे. यार ये फिगर्स सेगमेंट की फास्टेस्ट और मोस्ट पावरफुल बाइक के लिए बढ़िया है फ्रैंकली. ओके, फिर आपने मेरे को एक्सेलरेशन के बारे में पूछा था. So I'm just going to demonstrate everything only क्योंकि that is the best way to really review a motorcycle, to be able कि आपको मैं experience करा सकूँ through my ride, right? So let's go. One more. बिल्ट इन, आपको उसके लिए एक्स्ट्रा पैसे देने पड़ेंगे. जब मैं RS 457 चला रही थी, brakes was the one issue that I had क्योंकि I felt like the brakes had a certain, they weren't sharp, they had a certain dullness to them. ठीक है, अभी ये स्ट्रेट रोड है, ट्रैफिक बहुत है यहाँ पे ऊपर और नीचे जाते वक्त, बट वी विल ट्राई एंड टेस्ट द ब्रेक्स हियर. Okay, that was good. It was not so bad at all. Last time मेरे जो हाथ हैं पूरा अंदर आ रहे थे यहाँ तक जब मैं ब्रेक कर रही थी. Feedback has definitely gotten better on the brakes. They are not as spongy as before. See that? Feedback on the brakes? Not bad at all. To conclude, the brakes are not bad. I personally didn't experience them dulling as I rode, पर अगर आप continuously hard brake करोगे तो dullness feel होगी आपको. ये सिटी में कैसे रहेगी? Definitely this is a way more comfortable motorcycle to ride in the city. It's a street naked after all. इसका जो हैंडल बार है, it makes it much easier to commute with, to travel with. So in case आपको of course वीकेंड पे निकल जाना अपने दोस्तों के साथ, दिस इज़ ऑसम फॉर दैट बिकॉज लाइक यू कैन सी मैं नंदी हिल्स में मेरे को फुल ऑन एन्जॉयमेंट हो रही है यहाँ पे. जब ये गांव के पार्ट्स आते हैं बीच में और स्लो जाना पड़ता है, इट्स एक्चुअली नॉट बैड एट ऑल. यू जस्ट गो थ्रू वेरी ईजिली विद नो हैसल व्हाटएवर. स्पेशली इफ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर अ मोटरसाइकिल जो आप डेली भी कर सको, जो आपको मतलब वीकेंड के मज़े भी दिलाए, दिस इज़ इट ओवर द RS 457 बिकॉज RS 457 आई लव इट. मेरे को यार फेड बाइक्स का इतना शौक है. आई गॉट इनटू मोटरसाइकिल्स बिकॉज आई लव फेड बाइक्स. लिटरली लेट्स बी ऑनेस्ट, व्हाट हैपेंस विद अ बाइक लाइक द RS 457 इज बिकॉज उसका जो राइडिंग स्टांस है वो बहुत कमिटेड है. तो उसकी वजह से पीपल लाइक मी, अभी मेरा बैक का प्रॉब्लम है तो वो एक्टिवेट हो जाता है जब व्हेन आई एम राइडिंग फॉर लॉन्ग आवर्स ऑन something like an RS 457 because वो committed stance जो है it aggravates the back issue which I don't necessarily find very pleasing क्योंकि फिर उसके बाद मैं मतलब एक हफ्ते के लिए बेड ridden हो जाती हूँ which I don't like. So this is great for a city bike. It's great to commute on and it's awesome for long rides as well.
The Laker version of RS 457.
The Tuono 457.
This looks pretty good.
It is awesome actually. It's a really
Yes.
thrilling bike.
Looks like a street triple as well.
The look is one, but the engine it's brilliant.
I was trying hard not to look at these bikes on the guard section.
Okay, one question I get all the time. Is it a comfortable seat height? Is it tall? And is it heavy? So let me just show it to you. I'm going to sit on it. So these shoes थोड़े heel हैं इस पे. So let's not consider this. I'm going to quickly place a shot of me in flat boots. So as you can see, I'm happily flat footing this motorcycle. And even if I have to move it around, it's not hard at all. You see that? I'm on a sort of an uneven surface right now, but very comfortable, very easy to maneuver, very easy to park. ये चीज़ जो है इसके लिए definitely a big plus point because ये heavy bike है ही नहीं. I think इसका dry weight है 159 kgs, which is really good. Don't worry, come. This is Ramona. Please see. She's the one that hosted the Aprilia launch yesterday. Also very good friend, very sweet girl. Please follow her on Instagram. I'm putting her thing here.
Are you driving me to the airport?
Come, let's go. Sit. No, you sit. No, actually sit and tell me how comfortable you are at the back.
Okay, done.
We have to do this. Pillion test with the hot Ramona. I couldn't have got a better pillion than her right now. And just because you launched the product, you can't say that it's a great pillion seat. You have to tell the truth. Awesome. Let's go.
Because I hate when it's uncomfortable.
Yes.
Especially when I have to do long rides.
Love it. She gets the point. Okay.
Bhavi, no, grown up with bike.
Is it too tall?
No,
Out there?
I'm actually quite liking this.
Yeah?
You know, it almost feels like the difference between a sedan and an SUV.
Look at that. She's given you car review on motorcycle. Gotta love it. But otherwise, like your tush is comfy and shit.
Very comfy, I have to say. Thanks, it was a lovely ride.
We'll see you at the next launch. Yes, lovely ride indeed.
Done.
अभी करते हैं fit and finish की बात क्योंकि बहुत सारे लोग पूछ रहे हैं इसके बारे में. So first, let me see what's metal, what's plastic. Plastic. So काफी सारे plastic के parts है इस bike पे, but the quality of the bike is actually really good. Fit and finish. कोई मेरे को कल किसने एक सवाल किया है, are there fewer visible screws than the RS? So let's have a look at that also. Definitely looking like there's a lot less screws. It has its share of screws, but it's a cleaner body for sure. Switch gear, this whole section over here, very nice. TFT quality, superb. Gives you all the information you need, very clear, has a lot of information to offer. And overall, just looks like a good quality product. पर कोई चीज़ें इस पे मिलती नहीं हैं, जैसे क्विक शिफ्टर इस पे आपको नहीं मिलेगा. At 3.95 lakh ex showroom, you're not getting a quick shifter on this. On the KTM 390 Duke, you get a quick shifter at 2.95 lakh with the bike. For a quick shifter here, you will have to pay extra. तो फिर आपको ऐसे elements मिल जाते हैं, जैसे कि ये beautiful engine जो है, मतलब it's out there for you to see. You've got these beautiful pipes and this lovely underbelly exhaust. So that is not ugh, you know. Unfortunately, there are a few 400cc bikes in India right now. अच्छी लगती हैं, ठीक-ठाक दिखती हैं. They've gone and really screwed up on the exhaust. Can't say that for this. It's beautiful piece right here. Even this section over here is actually, it's beautifully crafted.
might have taken it also now.
That's not what happened.
The
It's
past
mine.
person who
No,
has to buy
no,
in a
no,
bike.
no, it's mine. I cannot give it to you.
What will be the price bracket?
3.95. Ex showroom.
3.95.
Yes.
With one blank check,
Whatever you want.
with discount?
Blank
No.
check, whatever you want. Cash, blank check,
चलो, सब
GPay.
चलेगा. All चलेगा.
Anything will do.
My son will go crazy.
I'm sure he'll go crazy. It's important for you to show him this.
If I show, I will be in trouble.
Why? Where will you spend your money if you don't spend it on your son? है ना? Where will you spend it?
Yeah, means
You're
in a
making the
nice
money
way.
for your son only, na?
No, 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 no.
No?
No, for me.
I love it. I love it. You have to. You need to keep saying this for the rest of your life.
Let him on here. I am giving you the education.
You need to buy this for yourself and tell him you want this. Earn it.
Yeah.
इसकी सर्विस और मेंटेनेंस की भाई बात करो कोई. Lots of questions on maintenance and service cost as well. तो इस पे आपको 3 years की वारंटी मिल जाती है, which is by the way best in the segment. And the first 3 services are complimentary. That's what we know as of now. जब मैंने Aprilia से बात की, तो they are talking about widening their network because they really want this bike to be something Indians buy and Indians can easily go service. So that's what Aprilia is saying as of now. किसी ने मेरे को पूछा है, can this be my first bike? Very interesting question. And normally मैं आपको बोलती हूँ भाई please start on a 100cc motorcycle. जब भी लोग मेरे से मिलते भी हैं always say start off on a 100cc motorcycle. आप अपना skill set जो है उस पे काम करो, क्योंकि once your skills are in place ना, once you know how to move the bike around, how to control it when you're in a bad situation, then you're going to be able to do a lot better on a bigger bike. But for the Tuono, I have to say कि you can start learning on a 100cc, quickly transition to a Tuono, the 457. Why? Now there are factors that make it very, very user friendly to somebody that's, you know, buying their first motorcycle. You always transition, right? The 100 से लेके आप 200, 200, 300, फिर 400 आओगे. You can get to this directly after you've learned. Why? Because A, it's light. Very, very comfortable seat height, as you can see. So especially for women that I meet that always say to me कि भाई कैसे, you know, these bikes, they're very heavy for me to move around. Exhaust से मेरा पैर जल जाता है. That's because most of us are starting off on a motorcycle that is too much metal, that is too heavy. And when you're starting off on a motorcycle like this, your focus is on how heavy it is. You don't want your focus to be on how heavy it is. आपका focus होना चाहिए to be able to enjoy the bike. This is that bike. It's torquey. It's got a lot going for it. It's a very, very peppy motorcycle. आप city में इसको बहुत easily चला सकते हो without any issues. And then if you get into the mood of going into like a frenzy, you can gun it out. It's got all of that. And more than anything else, it's a comfortable motorcycle, right? This is a very, very comfortable riding position. You can see this is a nice naked motorcycle, lovely wide handlebars. You're sitting up straight. You can ride like this, you can ride like this. So it's the best of many, many worlds. And therefore, it is actually a good first motorcycle to own as well. अभी करते हैं competition की बात, क्योंकि 400cc segment में सबसे ज़्यादा action हो रहा है हमारी country में at the moment. Every manufacturer is bringing out a 400cc motorcycle. And that's why Aprilia is here, right? Because they know that this is where the action is at. अभी करते हैं बात इसके competition की, which is the 390 Duke, the MT-03, the BMW G310R. All of these brilliant motorcycles. Love them all actually. I have a special place in my heart for the 390 Duke. It was one of the first big bikes I ever bought. And it comes with so much, man. Like there's so much tech stuff going on it. And at what? That price, 2.95 ex-showroom is like, wow. Quick shifter, big shifter, kuch bhi, matlab sab kuch isme hai. You think about it and you have it. You don't have to pay extra for that, right? So KTM's done a great job with that. That for me is like the sporty, naked motorcycle that I want. It's aggressive and it's a lovely, lovely motorcycle to ride in the city as well. But what I think about this is very, very different. Ye jo bike hai na, it feels like a big bike. The RS 457, the Tuono 457, ये सारे आपको बिग बाइक का इल्यूजन देते हैं, क्योंकि इसकी जो इंजन है ना, जैसे मैं आपको उस टाइम भी दिखा रही थी, इट साउंड्स लाइक अ बिग बाइक. दैट पैरेलल ट्विन, दैट फायरिंग ऑर्डर, it's beautiful. When you're on the bike also, you're listening to those rumbles and you're like, wow, I'm riding a big bike. And that is what makes a difference when you buy a motorcycle like this. Because देखो आपको 1 लाख ज़्यादा देना पड़ रहा है ex showroom again to be able to afford this over the 390 Duke, which is one of the best like sellers out there, right? When it comes to street nakeds in that segment. 1 लाख ऊपर और वो बाइक में आपको सब कुछ मिल रहा है, कोई एक्स्ट्रा मतलब आपको देना नहीं पड़ रहा है. यहाँ पे क्विक शिफ्टर के लिए भी आपको ऊपर से पैसे देने पड़ रहे हैं. That is the difference. So it is a choice you're making when you're going out there. But I feel like आपको इसको ज़रूर टेस्ट राइड करना चाहिए because it's a special bike. It has its own space, just like the RS 457. आपको कैसी लगी नई Tuono 457 ज़रूर बताना comments में. Share this video with a friend that's looking for their first bike, that's looking to upgrade from a 100-200 cc to a little bit bigger bike, who like that person over there was saying right now कि my son will want this bike, someone like that. Share this video with them, share this joy with them. I've had a lovely time in Bangalore today. हम लोग धड़ पड़ रहे हैं क्योंकि टाइम कम है और इतना सारा शूट करना है. But anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. And I promise one video a week I will bring to you. ये मेरे कितनी टाइम मैंने प्रॉमिस किया है पर. Anyway, also follow me on Instagram. We've got 2 million followers there, man. So follow us. See ya. चश्मा पहन के जाएंगी मैं, चश्मा पहन के जाएंगी मैं. Time for some filter coffee.